And we are the minions of TIL.
Minions of TIL. Oh, that's kind of catchy.
Hi, my name is Cheryl.
Hi, I'm Eric.
Hi, my name's Khir.
Is Grace here?
Me.
Nice photo, nice photo.
I'm just looking down. I'm waiting for contractors to come. So I got bored. I decided to take a few perspective shots, and these leisurely things is what we do as designers.
Oh, mine.
Just one liner.
Just one.
Respect.
Because my
No hashtag.
no hashtag. Because my English
Okay.
not good. This was taken like when it was raining. Yeah. So I kind of like respect them, like the hard work they put in. So even though they are like near to the age where they can actually retire already, sometimes I think that, in the future, maybe 10, 20 years, they won't be anymore. Because there's no young people that is interested to go into this dirty and very hard, kind of job.
I didn't remember saying that.
Okay.
Share my pancakes because sometimes when we are at the job site, we get hungry because we have to skip meals, we have to like rush from this side to the other side. Yeah. Sometimes our temper might get the best of us, especially to our workers. So shout out for them for being very patient with us. I guess it's more of like a sense of self-satisfaction, whereby when you step into this empty home and just dust and empty wall. From there, and then you fine-tune your ideas, you manage to build a home for them.
What I like best is from little drawings and sketches or SketchUps and 3Ds that come to life. For me, it gives me purpose to continue.
Actually, this job is very interesting. It's like every day is different. Every day you have surprises.
So the project was like really rushing. I didn't even have extra space for someone to come in to even delay anything. So at 9:30, my supplier went up to site and installed the glass backing when he could have done so like the next day. But he did it at 9:30 at night. Yeah, and then he spent like half an hour there and he left at 10 plus. So can you imagine, they normally end at 6 and they went the extra mile to do up this for us. So that moment when he sent me the photo, I felt I could breathe. For some customers, they come in with, say, a drink for you if you're at job site, or like for your workers also. So that feeling, like that gesture, it really touches our heart because the customer appreciates what we do. And they appreciate the workers also, which is, the unsung heroes behind the scenes.
They bought lunch, they went to site, and then they ate with the subcons together.
Whoa, mini gathering.
Sitting at the staircase there, eating together. Quite cool. I mean, this kind of homeless, they're very humble.
Yeah, I mean, the sense of acknowledgement between not just you but the workers and level with them.
One of it was someone came in and asked me if they could install the aircon in the bomb shelter.
What?
Yeah.
The client asked for a two-way mirror, so basically they hack off a full partition, a bedroom area. They want to ask for a mirror, like one of those interrogation rooms kind of mirror. I'm not going to disclose who this person is, but you know who you are.
The homeowners are quite busy. They didn't really pay attention, and they just decide on the spot. Once they decide, they didn't even talk about it anymore. And once we did up the thing, they kind of like ask, did I choose this, that kind of thing. So actually it's quite tiring, the process. I have to explain to their brother, the father, the uncle.
The clan.
Yeah, the uncle actually comes and criticize on our works. I nearly got beaten up by him.
I would say trust. Please trust your ID.
Yeah.
The good ID will help to bridge our ideas with your comfort zone, and we'll try to do up a functional, beautiful home for you.
If you want good service, be a good customer.
Realistically, just set your expectation according to your budget. Prioritize what is needed. Also, it doesn't hurt to do a bit of research.
Be honest with the budget.
Was there a particular tough moment when you felt like you were quitting this job for good? Do you? All the time. Actually, I kid lah. Seriously, there will be a lot of down moments. You are coordinating with so many different people. Sometimes things don't go according to what you planned. What can go wrong will go wrong.
Pick your poison. Fussy client with a big budget, or easygoing client who gives you free reign on the design but offers very little budget. Don't need to think. I will actually go for easygoing client. For me, it's always enjoy working with easygoing person. It's not always about the budget. It's about getting enjoyment from the job. Clients that have big budget, they always expect you to give them the most priority. We treat every project equally.
What is the most hated question that you receive from homeowners? The homeowner goes straight into asking how much is the price. Each unit caters specifically to them and it's different. My hated question would be they jump straight into asking how much is the price of my renovation.
I think there's another one that you hate.
What?
Can you email me the code?
Oh, cha-ching, hit the money back.
Sometimes I find it very funny. Won't you want to meet your ID, get to know,
Yes.
is this guy
Exactly.
reliable, you know?
Is this
Like,
even a real person?
yeah. Right, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next series.
Please like, share, and subscribe.